If you're over 60 and your legs have been feeling weaker lately, like they just don't carry you the way they used to, listen up. You might notice you're getting tired faster, struggling to stay steady on your feet, or even avoiding certain walks or stairs altogether. But here's the surprising part: it's not always just getting older. New research shows that drinking certain natural teas can actually help rebuild muscle strength in your legs, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and give you a serious boost of energy, without pills, without grueling workouts, and without expensive treatments. And they're simple, safe, and backed by science. Take green tea, for example. A long-term study in Japan followed thousands of older adults and found that those who drank it regularly were far more likely to keep their balance and leg strength as they aged. Even legendary Japanese sprinter Hideki Miyazaki, who ran well past 100 years old, credited his daily cup of green tea as one of his secret weapons. In this video, I'm revealing the 3 best teas for seniors to strengthen legs, boost energy, and feel more confident walking every day. Each one is carefully chosen and backed by research. And if you stick around until the very end, I'll share a bonus ingredient you've probably never heard of, one that's been shown to supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue in older adults. Tea number 1, Ginger Turmeric Tea. Imagine wrapping your hands around a warm, golden cup of ginger turmeric tea. The flavor is comforting, but the real magic is what it does for your legs. If your legs feel heavy when you walk, or you get winded climbing stairs, this tea could become your new favorite daily ritual. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory roots. Combined, they help ease the swelling, stiffness, and soreness that often hold older adults back from walking with confidence. For many seniors, weak legs aren't the only problem, it's the pain and fatigue that follow even light activity. Ginger turmeric tea tackles that head-on. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols, which improve blood circulation. Think of your legs like hard-working machines. They need a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood to stay strong. Poor circulation means muscles starve for nutrients, leading to weakness. Ginger helps keep that blood moving. Turmeric is loaded with curcumin, famous for fighting inflammation, protecting muscle from breakdown, and helping you recover after activity. If your knees crack when you stand, or you feel sore after a short walk, curcumin can help calm that down, letting your muscle support and stabilize you better. Here's something people don't expect: ginger also gently boosts your metabolism. That means you turn food into energy more efficiently. Instead of feeling sluggish after lunch, you might have enough spark to take a walk or stretch. How to make it? Add a few slices of fresh ginger root and 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh turmeric slices, to hot water. Steep for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb curcumin better. Sweeten with honey or add lemon if you like. Drink 1 cup a day, preferably in the morning. Some people notice changes in just a few days, for others, it takes a couple of weeks. Consistency is key. In traditional Indian households, ginger turmeric tea has been a go-to remedy for generations. Even modern athletes, like NBA player Stephen Curry, include turmeric in their recovery routines. You don't have to train like a pro to enjoy the benefits, just sip and let nature do the work. Tea number 2, Ginseng Green Tea. If you've been feeling drained, like your legs give out halfway through the day, ginseng green tea might be exactly what you need. It's like a gentle wake-up call for your muscles, brain, and energy levels. This tea blends 2 powerhouses. 1. Green tea, packed with antioxidants and steady, jitter-free energy. 2. Ginseng, a root used for centuries to fight fatigue, build strength, and restore vitality. Here's why it works. Ginseng has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps your body handle stress, yes, even the physical stress of aging. Every day, your muscles and joints deal with wear and tear. Ginseng eases that strain, making your legs feel like they're working with you instead of against you. Research shows ginseng improves how your muscles use oxygen, which means better stamina and less tiredness. Imagine doing chores, climbing stairs, or running errands without feeling wiped out afterward. Green tea brings its own magic. It's rich in catechins, antioxidants that protect your muscles from free radicals. Free radicals speed up aging inside your body, but catechins fight back, keeping your muscles younger for longer. Plus, green tea contains L-theanine, which boosts focus while keeping you calm. Paired with ginseng, it delivers long-lasting, balanced energy for both body and mind. And here's the secret: when you feel mentally sharper, you naturally want to move more, which keeps your legs stronger over time. How to make it? Boil water and let it cool slightly so it's not scalding. Steep 1 green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a few thin slices of ginseng root or 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Let it steep another 5 minutes. Sweeten with honey or add lemon if you like. Drink it daily for steady, gradual improvement. Studies in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine found that older adults who took ginseng regularly had better lower body strength and less fatigue. Even Jackie Chan, now in his 70s, has talked about including ginseng tea in his wellness routine to stay active. Before we get to the third tea, and the bonus ingredient at the end, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends or family who want to stay active and strong. Leave a comment below about which tea you'd like to try first, and check out my other videos for more natural ways to keep your body moving with confidence. Tea number 3, Ashwagandha root tea. Now, let's talk about a tea that's a little different from the first two, one that works not just on your muscles, but also on your mind, nerves, and stress levels. It's called Ashwagandha root tea, and if you've never tried it, you might be pleasantly surprised by what it can do. Ashwagandha is what's known as an adaptogen. That means it helps your body adapt to stress, whether that stress is from health concerns, money worries, poor sleep, or just the natural wear and tear of aging. When we're stressed, our bodies pump out cortisol, the stress hormone. In small amounts, cortisol is fine. But too much, over too long a time, can weaken muscles, add stubborn belly fat, and drain your energy. Ashwagandha helps keep cortisol in check, calming your nervous system and sending your body the message: you're safe. You can relax. You can rebuild. That shift allows your body to put more focus on healing and muscle restoration instead of constant breakdown. Why it helps your legs. Studies show that ashwagandha can improve lower body strength, balance, and stamina, even in older adults. In one clinical trial, seniors who took it daily saw noticeable improvements within just a few weeks. It's not magic, it's your body finally getting the steady support it needs to work at its best. It also helps your nerve health, which is vital for steady walking. If you've ever felt shaky, unsteady, or like your legs aren't fully under your control, weak neuromuscular connections could be part of the problem. Ashwagandha strengthens those connections, improving coordination and responsiveness. Bonus for better sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, this tea can be a game changer. Drinking it in the evening helps quiet a busy mind, ease nighttime anxiety, and promote deep, restorative sleep. That matters because muscle repair happens while we sleep. Without it, your body struggles to rebuild strength no matter how good your diet is. How to prepare it? Use about 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root, or tea bags if that's easier. Simmer it gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. Add cinnamon or honey for flavor. The earthy, nutty taste pairs beautifully with warm spices. Some people prefer it in the morning for calm, steady energy all day. Others drink it at night to relax and help their muscles recover while they sleep. Either way, the key is consistency. Make it part of your daily routine. Real-life inspiration. Holistic health experts, including celebrity nutritionist Dr. Frank Lipman, often recommend ashwagandha for clients dealing with fatigue and stress. Even well-known wellness advocates over 60 have embraced it, not just for overall well-being, but for the unique benefit of improved leg strength, balance, and calm, sustained energy. So, if you want to feel steadier on your feet, less stressed in your heart, and more at peace in your day, ashwagandha root tea is a wonderful place to start. Quick recap. Let's sum it up. Ginger turmeric tea calms inflammation and improves circulation. Ginseng green tea boosts muscle strength and stamina. Ashwagandha root tea restores balance, eases stress, and supports overnight recovery. These aren't just warm drinks, they're daily tools to help you walk steadier, feel stronger, and live with more confidence and less pain. Remember, the secret is consistency. Just 1 cup a day, paired with gentle movement and a positive mindset, can create real, noticeable changes over time. If you're planning to try one of these teas, tell us about it in the comments. And if this video helped you, please hit the like button, it really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Share this with someone you love who could use a little extra strength and energy in their life. You deserve to feel strong again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.